tornado in Toledo, Ohio. And some people say you're supposed to stay at home. Fuck staying at home. We're driving to Detroit. We're not staying.
It looks worse behind us.
Yeah. Hopefully I get to upload this. Girl stopped for your light and this is what's next to us. This is what's next to us. Just keep stopping for a yellow light.
And it's crazy. It's like the clouds are going that way to it.
One thing I learned about this world is hard to get away from clouds. I'm learning
That's not
that.
funny right now.
It's not easy to get away from clouds. Yeah, we had a tornado. They said touchdown right around outside Toledo. And
Crazy. That shit is crazy.
man, this is not Photoshop. I think I could jump up and touch one of these clouds.
It's so low. Let's go.